Saxon Phonics, Lesson 41. Do you remember how many letters are in the alphabet? Right, 26. And what two kinds of letters make up the alphabet? Vowels and consonants. Do you remember what the vowels are? Yeah, A, E, I, O, U. And all of the other letters are called consonants. Let's talk about the letter A and E today. What does A say? Yeah, we know it says A and A. But do you remember what the letter A says when it's followed by a consonant? Yeah, it says A. Let's look at this A I have here. A and this dash shows us that a consonant can go here. What if we put the letter T? What word is it now? At. Right. We remembered that when it's followed by a consonant, it says A. What about the letter N? Another consonant. What does this word say? An. An. What about the letter M? Does A still say A? Am. Am. Yes, it does, because it's followed by a consonant. Now, today we're going to talk about a sneaky E. What does A say when we have a consonant and sneaky E? What does E make A say? E will sneak up on A, and A will say A. Let's look at some words. What sound do you hear in the middle position of these words? Sail, cane, gate. Yeah, I hear the letter A. S-ale, k-ain, g-ate. What letter is making that sound? Right, A is. But there's a consonant after it, so why does it not say A? That's because of sneaky E. Sneaky E says, I am sneaky E. I'm so sneaky that I don't make a sound. Vowel A doesn't know I'm here, so I can sneak behind the consonant that comes after vowel A and scare it into saying its long sound, A. Let's see what our word would say if it did not have that sneaky little E. S-a-l, sal, s-a-l, sal. Without that sneaky E, our A says A. Let's look at cane. K-ain. That sneaky E scared that A into saying A. But if we take away our sneaky E, K-a-n, can. Now our A says A. Let's look at the next word. Our sneaky E makes our A vowel say A, 'cause he got scared. G-ate. But if we take away our sneaky E, does that make our word sound different? G-a-t, gat. Yes, it does make our word sound different. Let's put those sneaky E's back up there. Do those sneaky E's make a sound? s-al, k-ain, g-ate. No, I don't hear an E sound. That's because our E is silent. It's a silent, sneaky E. When the E is silent, we cross it out to code. And we make our A long with a macaron above it. S-al, k-a, n, g-a, t. That's how we code our sneaky E. He is quiet so he can scare the A. Our new keyword for A consonant E has the A sound. This word has an A in it, but it also has a sneaky letter on the end. What letter do we know can be sneaky? Yes, sneaky E. Ready for the clues for our card? This is good to eat. People use this to celebrate their birthdays. You can put icing on it. What do you think it is? Did you guess cake? Whenever you see this card, say cake, A. Repeat that after me. Cake, A. The keyword cake helps us remember the A sound because cake has the A sound. It also has something special on the end. Do you remember what that is? Yes, our sneaky E. He scared that A into saying A. Here's how we code it. A macaron goes above A because it says its name. And our sneaky E didn't make a sound. We couldn't hear him in our word, so we cross him out. He is a silent sneaky E. Get out your worksheet and look at numbers 1 through 10. Number 1, G. G. Right, G. Number 2, K. K. You should have written K, C, and the digraph CK. Number 3, U. Number 4, th. Right, TH. Number 5, E. Right, the letter E. And don't forget our double E. Number 6, U. Right, U. Number 7, D. Yes, D. And don't forget to add the suffix ed, because that can sometimes sound like D. Number 8, W. Right, W. Number 9, T. T. And don't forget our suffix ed. It can sometimes sound like T. Number 10, F. F. Good job. Let's look at number 11. Let's practice spelling words. On number 11, spell the word seam. S-E-M. S-E-M. S-E-E-M. Seam. Number 12, green. Green. Gr-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Number 13, A. A. Right, the letter A. And then don't forget our new one, A-E. That shows our A consonant E. Number 14, K. K. Right, K, C, and CK. There's a new one I'd like to add. Will you write down KE next to each other? We'll use that on the end of words whenever we end a word with K. We need to put that sneaky E on the end. Let's look at number 15. Spell name. Name. N-A-M. N-A-M-E. Don't forget your sneaky E. Number 16. Cake. K-A-K. C-A-K-E. Number 17. 8. A-T. A-T-E. Now look at numbers 18 through 22. Which word says snake? Snake. Yes, number 20. Draw a line from number 20 to the picture. And look at 23 through 27. Stamp. 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 Right. Draw a line from number 23 to the picture of the stamp. I don't have enough time to go through coding with you, but go ahead and code 18 through 27. Don't forget when we have that sneaky E, cross it out. If you don't hear the E make a sound, it needs to have a line through it. K-aim. We need to put a macron above the A and a line through our E. When you're finished, unpause the video and go to the back. Number 1. Kate is fond of sweets. Say that with me. Kate is fond of sweets. Who is fond of sweets? Write your answer down on the blank. Number 3. Kate asked Beth to bake 3 red cakes. Say that with me. Kate asked Beth to bake 3 red cakes. What did Kate ask Beth to do? Bake cakes? Make red milk? Take sweets to Mom?